Okay guys, this is my Dicky Snow King that I gave to my youngest son last Christmas, and here it is. This is actually a toy, but I've done some modification to it. But it has a plow. You have to move it manually. It's actually pretty strong and it works very good. This was the Dicky Snow King, but that's not what this video is really about. Last Christmas my son got this, and this Christmas I got this. Just arrived today. This will be real good. Now we're gonna have a look. The plow with nothing there. The remote. It's 2.4 gigahertz 4-channel radio. From KYOSHO. And manual, some stickers. And finally we have something here. Look at this. This is nice. Very nice. Very cool. Look at this. Comparing the two together. This is 1:12 scale, and this is also 1:12 scale. But it's a lot bigger. That's weird. I think this is more 1:14 scale, and this has to be 1:12. But yes, on the package it says 1:12 on this and this. Okay. I think I'm gonna put this one down and just concentrate on this one. Big belts, pretty soft plastic, nice body. It has 5 wheels, just like the other one. This wheel in front here, the little one, is pulling the other wheels with the belt. Yes, I'm gonna take off the body. gonna have a look. Yes, look at this. Engines in there. I think to get this off I need to, there's a screw there, and yes, that's on the screw. I have to take off the screw to get in and look here. Hold on. Okay, I found the screwdriver. I'm gonna take this off and have a look inside. Okay, there's the gearing and 2 motors. It's, I've been told, 380, 2 380 motors. And the gearing here, 1 motor for each track, and a servo mounted back here to move the plow up and down. I think I'm gonna mount the plow now. I'm gonna take a look at the, open the bag with the plow, see how that is. Comes with some screws in here. I don't think this is. Oh, this is nice. Okay, this is going in the hole there, and these are popping out. I think pop on here, there. There. And these are going in here. Let's see. Like that. This one. And this one. There. Put one in there. Fasten this one. Like that. And this one goes up to the mount with the servo. In there. This one. Like so. Now it's mounted. That took just a couple of minutes. Now I think it's ready to go. Have the servo moving up and down. I'm gonna mount the protection on top here again with the 1 screw. That. Yes. And I need a battery. I got a battery right here. Just charge it. Stick it in here. straps down here. I'm gonna strap it. You can see, just like on the actual rigs, like that. Okay, and I'm gonna put the body back on. Here's the body, like that, and 2 clips. Yes, and I'm gonna put the batteries in the transmitter. 8 batteries as usual. Got it here. First price batteries. Cheap, but they work very good. Like that. This on. Yes, and I'm ready to start it up for the first time. This will be exciting. Is that there? Okay, switching on the control, and this one has a switch back here. I'm going to turn that on. Okay, shall be working now. Let's see what happens. This going up and down. This one moves the plow up and down. Okay. So let them look like this. If I move hose forward, it's going forward, I think. Yes. Okay. Both forward, that's forward. And backward. Okay. I'm gonna take one forward and one backward. That's pretty much it. Yes. I'm gonna take it out in the snow in my next video. Bye bye.